What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration in Virginia Beach, coming at you with this 03 Infiniti G35. We did a total color change on it. It came in about a week and a half ago. It was all red. It was scratched up real bad. Both tires on the passenger side were cut. It was vandalized. So the customer used it to his advantage and did a color change on it. You can see he's got 30-day tags, so he just purchased the vehicle. And it got vandalized that quick. We did a burnt orange on it with a black roof. The rims were chrome. He didn't want chrome, so we did the rims burnt orange and black to match the rest of the vehicle. The vehicle was wet sand and buff. Now we got to do the final polishing and detailing of it. Shine up the tires, shine up the vehicle a little more. That's it. 03 Infiniti G35. It looks so new, I almost stumbled on what year it is, but it is a 03. If you go on Facebook.com/John's Restoration, you'll see the before pictures of it when it was red. Mo, can you open up the doors in the trunk? I'm gonna have my man Mo open it up so you can see the color change in the door jambs also. Did the door jambs. I did up under the trunk. We just finished up the buffing and the polishing. Now we got to clean everything out, wax it up one more time. Make sure under the hood, under the trunk, the door jambs are spotless. We did under the hood also. And all we did was the fender rails. We didn't do the engine compartment. The customer didn't want to have the engine pulled out or anything disconnected, so we didn't go that far with it. But we did do up under the hood. So there you have it, total color change. Infiniti G35 Coupe 03. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277.